Dear students, let us consider very important problem of other method of summation of some series. Here I am considering some series here. 5 plus, look at me, 5 plus 11 plus 19, so on like this. For example, if it is 29 like this. Observe this problem. The series containing 5, 11, 19, 29, so on like that. So, first of all, check whether this series belongs to arithmetic progression or geometric progression, right? Look at this. Difference of 11 and 5, difference of 11 and 5 is 6. Difference of 19 and 11, here what is the difference of 11 and 5? That is 6. Difference of 19 and 11 is 18. Difference of 29 and 19 is 10. So here there is no common difference between 5 and 11. Look at 5, 11, 19, 29, so on like that. Here 5, 11, 19. What is the difference between 11 and 5? 6. Difference between 19 and 11? 8. Difference of 29 and 19? 10. There is no common difference. Therefore, this is not belongs to arithmetic progression. Since there is no common difference between every pair of succeeding term and the preceding term, this series is not belongs to arithmetic progression. Now let us consider the common ratio. Okay. Now the common ratio is 11 by 5. Here 19 by 11. Absolutely there is no common ratio. When there is no common ratio, then that will never become a geometric progression. So that here this problem is not belongs to AP or not belongs to GP. But if you consider the difference here, 11 minus 5 is 6, 19 minus 11 is 8, 29 minus 19 is 10, again 12, so on like this. But difference of every pair of succeeding and preceding term, that resulting sequence forms a AP. Look at this here, the difference is 2, here the difference is 2, here the difference is 2. Got my point? There is no difference between every pair of succeeding term and preceding term, and there is no common ratio between every pair of succeeding term and preceding term. Therefore, they are absolutely not belongs to AP or GP. But when you take on the difference, the difference terms belongs to arithmetic progression because there is a common difference. So therefore, by taking difference, the resultant sequence or series become a arithmetic progression. So that's why this method is called as method of difference. What is the method here? Method of difference. Very simple and very easy. Method of difference. How the method of difference is? Look at that. Method of difference. Method of difference. So my question is, when we have to apply this method of difference is applied when the terms of the sequence or series neither belongs to AP or nor belongs to GP, but the differences are belongs to AP. In such cases, keep in mind, method of difference is applied when the given terms of the sequence or series neither belongs to AP nor belongs to GP, but the difference of every pair of succeeding term and preceding term forms a arithmetic progression. In such case, let us consider one problem. Find the sum to n terms of. Look at that. Find the sum to n terms of. Find the sum to n terms of 5 plus 11 plus 19, 11 plus 19 plus 29 here. So how many terms are there? There are total n terms. Look at this. There is no common difference and there is no common ratio. Therefore, this is not belongs to AP or GP. Therefore, we can apply method of difference. Now, what is the question? We have to find out the sum to n terms. Very important for 4 marks. Sum to n terms is nothing but, can I take like that? let Sn is equal to, understand the method, Sn is equal to, sum to enter 5 plus 11 plus 19 plus 29 up to Tn plus Tn. Got my point? Under that you have to rewrite Sn. Under first term write 0 and write down again the sequence. So 5, 11, 19, 29 so on up to Tn. So under 5 you have to write 0 and then continue. If you add 0 to this series, it will not affect anything at all. First term is 0, then continue 5 plus next term is 11 plus 19 plus so on. Under Tn, Tn minus 1 plus Tn, last term. Now we have to apply the difference method here. Difference is nothing but we have to subtract here. So this is minus, 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 and here ultimately minus, so on like that. So Sn minus Sn is 0 is equal to 5 minus 0 is 5 plus 11 minus 5 is 6 plus 19 minus 11 is 8 plus 29 minus 19 is 10 plus next is 12 plus so on like that. So plus is there, here minus, that remaining is minus Tn. Got my point? So now we have to find out Tn. So that minus Tn, take this side. Minus Tn, this side, this become plus Tn. Plus Tn is equal to 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 up to n term. Up to n term. Look at my question. Look at my question. If you consider 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 up to how many term? N term. If we include 5 to this series, it will not become 80. Look at that. Difference of 6 and 5 is 1. 8 to 6 is 2. 10 to 8 is 2. 12 to 10 is 2. Therefore, common difference rises from 6 here. Therefore, we have to exclude 5. Total, there are n term. If we exclude 1 term, it becomes n minus 1 term, like that. So, therefore, this becomes Tn is equal to, look at me, 5 plus, I am considering just these terms, I am excluding that, 6 plus, 8 plus, 10 plus 12 up to what? Here not n term, because 1 term is excluded, therefore totally we have n minus 1 terms. If you consider 5 also, it is n term. We are neglecting 1 term, n minus 1 term. If you neglect 2 term, it becomes n minus 2 term, like that. Understand? Once again. So since the terms of the given series not belongs to AP or not belongs to GP, we have to apply the method of difference. How the method is? First let us take Sn is equal to sum of all these up to Tn. Then again rewrite Sn is equal to under 5, the first term, write down 0. Then continue the sequence. 5 plus 11 plus 19 so on, Tn minus 1, last is Tn. Now what to do, sir? We have to subtract Sn minus Sn 0, 5 minus 0, 0, 5, 11 minus 5, 6, like that 6, 8, 10, 12, up to here we have subtracting minus Tn. Take minus Tn to this side, Tn is equal to 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 so on up to how many term? We have total n term. Tn is nothing but n term. Here if you consider 5 also, the resulting sequence will not become AP. If we exclude 5, look at that, 6, 8, 10, 12, they are in AP. Therefore, I am excluding 5 from n term. So, if you exclude 1 term, you will get n minus 1 term. But my point. Therefore, now what is the thing here? What is the thing here? Therefore, Tn is equal to, look at me, 5 plus, here we have all the terms are AP. Sum of the AP term. How many term? N minus 1 term. Look at that. Sn minus 1 of AP I can write here, not Sn. Sn minus 1. Why it is sum? Because we have plus. Sn minus 1 of AP with A is equal to 6 and D is equal to 2 common difference. Now let us write Sn minus 1 formula. How it is? I will explain here. We have Sn formula. What is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Keep in mind, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. If you want to write Sn minus 1, wherever you find n, put n is equal to n minus 1. This become n minus 1 divided by 2 into 2A plus Here in place of n put n minus 1. In place of n minus 1 along with minus 1 into d. Simplify this. So n minus 1 divided by 2 into 2a plus, here what happens here, n minus 2 into d. This is a Sn minus 1. So therefore Sn minus 1 is n minus 1 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 2 into d. Sn minus 2 what happens, n minus 2 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 3 into d. Now I am going to use this formula, that is equal to, look at me, 5 plus Sn minus 1 formula, n minus 1 by 2 into, look at me, into 2a plus n minus 2 into d. Just simplify this, that is equal to 5 plus, substitute the values here, n minus 1 by 2 into 2a, 2 into 6, 2 6 are 12, plus n minus 2 into d is what here, 2. Just simplify. So that is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 divided by 2 into, so 12 plus 2n minus 4. Got my point? Therefore, this becomes 5 plus n minus 1 divided by 2 into, simplify this, 2n, write down 2n plus 12 minus 4. What is 12 minus 4? That is 8. So now I can simplify here. Look at me. I am going to simplify here. So that is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 divided by 2 into, take 2 common from here. If you take 2 common, what happens here? N plus 4. So 2 to get cancelled, remaining is n minus 1 into n plus 4. Simplify that. 5 plus, multiply, n into n is n square, n into 4 is 4n, minus 1 into n, minus 1 into 4, minus 4. So then the remaining thing become, what is the first term? N square, 4n minus n, that is equal to 3n, 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. This is what Tn. So dear children, what is the thing here? Method of difference is useful to find out Tn. After getting Tn, it's a regular method, right? Got my point? Once again, go with the solution. Okay, now we have to find out Sn here. Look at me, Sn, how it is Sn formula. So as you know that after getting Tn, it is very easy to find out Tn by using the formula Sn is equal to sigma Tn. Got my point? Okay, go with the solution. Therefore, Sn is given by sigma Tn. Tn is here by using method of difference, that is n square plus 3n plus 1. Apply sigma to that. That becomes sigma n square plus 3 into sigma n and plus sigma 1. Look at me. Sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Got my point? Plus 3 into sigma n is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus sigma 1, as you know that is equal to n. N means n divided by 1. There is nothing. Now what to do, sir? We can take n as common from all the 3 terms. Can we take? Yes. Okay, now how to do here? This become n, we can take common. Remaining thing is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. N plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Plus here we are taken n as common. Remaining thing is 3n plus 3. Just I am multiplying. 3n plus 3 divided by 2 plus what? N we are taken, we have only 1. So now n into, just have to take LCM. Here 6, here 2. What is an LCM? 6 is an LCM. Then cross multiply. What happens here? N plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus 2 3s are. Just multiply 3 to here. This become 9n plus 9 plus LCM is 6. Cross multiply here because 1 is there. 1 6 are. That 6 you have to multiply it. Now just simplify n into, just multiply this term. This become 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 plus 9n plus 9 plus 6 is 15 whole divided by 6. Now just simplify this. This become n into 2n square plus n plus 2n is 3n. 3n plus 9n is 12n. 12n plus 1 plus 15 is 16. divided by 6. What is the use here? So now we have to factorize it. How to factorize it? 2n square plus 12n plus 16 by 6. Yeah, sorry, this one is a quadratic factor. We have to factorize it. Can we factorize it then? Yes. What are the factors here? If you multiply, that you will get 32. If you add it, you will get what we got. That is equal to 12. So I am going to express the factorization method here. Okay. Here what is that? 2n square plus 12n plus 16 is there. If you multiply, it should give 32. If you add it, it should give 12. What are the factors? So 8 and 4. That is equal to 2n square plus 4n plus 8n plus 16. Here we can take 2n as common. That remaining is n plus 2 plus 8 is common. Remaining is n plus 2. From both of the term, n plus 2 is common. Remaining is 2n plus 8. Okay, now I can substitute here. Look at me. Look at me. This become n into. Look at me. So instead of this factor, I can write n plus 2. Use a bracket into 2n plus 8 divided by 6. Now here you can take 2 as common. So that is equal to n into n plus 2 into, if you take 2 as common, that become n plus 4 divided by 6. 2 3s are. So final answer is n into n plus 2 into n plus 4 divided by 3. This is what Sn. Dear children, understand one very important thing. As you know that when the terms of the series which are neither belongs to AP or not belongs to GP, but their differences forms a arithmetic progression. So we can apply the method of difference. Method of difference is help us to find out Tn only. After getting Tn, as usual method, Sn is given by sigma Tn only. So I am just simplified here ultimately. Whenever you get a quadratic factor, if the quadratic factor is factorizable, factorize it. If it is non-factorizable, keep the thing as it is and then move on. Okay? Right? We'll do one very important problem related to this. We'll do, or you can go with this. Okay, we'll do one problem. Find the sum to n terms of. Look at that. We'll do one more problem related to this. Okay, we'll do one more problem. Look at me. Find the sum to n terms of 3 plus 15 plus 35, 3 plus 15 plus 35 plus 63 plus 1 like that. Find the sum to n times. Before going to find out the sum, let us understand whether the given series belongs to AP or GP. Look at that. There is no common difference. 15 and 3, that is 12. 35 and 20, 15, that is 20. 63 and 35 is nothing but 28 like that. But there is no common ratio. Therefore, what to do here? We have to apply the method of difference. How to do this? Let us consider this as Sn. Means sum to n terms is equal to 3 plus 15 plus 35 plus 63 up to what? Tn. Because Sn is nothing but sum of all n terms, the last term being Tn. Now, according to method of difference, rewrite Sn under the first term, write 0 and continue the series. So, 3 plus 15 plus 35 plus 1 under Tn, previous term is Tn minus 1 plus last term is Tn. Now we have to subtract, look at my point. So this is, we call it as method of difference. Write down few terms here. Sn minus Sn is 0, 3 minus 0 is 3, 15 minus 3 is 12, 35 minus 15 is 20, 63 minus 35 is 28, plus 1, the last term is minus Tn, because here minus Tn. So take minus Tn to LHS. This become plus Tn, that is equal to 3 plus 12 plus 20 plus 28 up to what? N times. What my point? Up to n term. Dear children, here there are n terms here. If we consider 3, it will not become AP because difference of 12 and 3 is 9. Here 8. Here 8. Therefore, if we exclude 3 only, it become a AP. Therefore, what to do here? Tn is equal to, as usual, exclude 3. 3 plus 12 plus 20 plus 28 plus 1 plus remaining term is n minus 1 term. So here what is the common mistake? Here 3 plus is there, you have to write 3 plus only. So many students made like this, 3 into something. Here not we are multiplying, we are adding here 3 plus. Got my point? Therefore here 3 plus, so this form say AP, look here, difference is 8, difference is 8, the next difference is also 8. Therefore sum of numerator n minus 1 terms. I can write Sn minus 1 of AP with A is equal to 12 and D is equal to 8. Okay, as usual, that is equal to 3 plus, as you know that Sn minus 1 formula is n minus 1 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 2 into D. Okay, now just substitute the values here. That is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 divided by 2 into 2A. 2 into A is 12. 2 12s are 24 plus n minus 2 into D is what? 8. Just simplify. That is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 divided by 2 into 24 plus multiplied by 8. 8n minus 16. Just simplify this. Just simplify this. That is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 by 2 into, so 8n keep as it is. So 24 minus 16 is 8. 24 minus 16 is 8. Got my point? So that is equal to 8n minus 8. Sorry, plus 8. 24 minus 16, that is plus 8. Okay. So now 3 plus n minus 1 divided by 2 into, you can take 8 common, that become what? N plus 1. 2 4s are. Got my point? So 3 plus n minus 1, or you can do like this. Here we want only 2 common, you can take 2 as common, enough. N minus 1 by 2 into, take 2 common, remaining is what? 4n plus 4. 2 to get cancelled, multiply, n into 4n is 4n square, n into 4 is 4n, minus 1 into 4n, minus 4n, minus 1 into 4, minus 4. These two get cancelled. What's the remaining thing is 4n square, 3 minus 4 is what? That? Minus 1. This is what Tn. It's a long process. After knowing Tn by using method of difference, now let us find out the sum. How to find out the sum? Sum is given by, as you know that, dear children, we know that Sn is given by sigma Tn. That is equal to sigma. What is Tn here? That is equal to 4n square minus 1. Separate the sigma. 4 into sigma n square minus sigma 1. Just substitute the value of sigma n square here in this problem. Okay, I can substitute here. I can substitute. Go with this solution. Okay, children, look at that. That is equal to 4 into sigma n square is, as you know that, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Right? Minus sigma 1 is nothing but n. Just take n as common. So here 2 2s are 2 3s are. After taking n as common, the remaining is 2 into this 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Now we have to take the LCM. Below 1 we have the 1 has the denominator 1, therefore here 3 and 1. What is an LCM? 3. So do it like this. So that is equal to n into. So take 3 as LCM. There is no multiplication here. Just cross multiply and multiply 2 here. that become 2n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 3 cross multiply. Now just multiply, children, you will get the answer. Just multiply. That is equal to n into, multiply 2n into 2n, 4n square, 2n into 1 plus 2n, 2 into 2n plus 4n, 2 into 1 is plus 2 minus 3, whole divided by what? 3. Simplify this, n into, look at me, 4n square plus 2n plus 4n is 6n, 2 minus 3 is minus 1 divided by 3. This is what? Yes, sir. So here it is, if it is possible, we can factorize it. If it is not factorizable, keep as it is. This is all about method of difference. So finally, I can say that, so method of difference is the method, it is not the method to find out the sum. It is a method to find out Tn when the given terms of the series or sequence are neither belongs to AP or not belongs to GP, but the difference of every pair of succeeding term and preceding term forms a arithmetic progression. This is all about sum of some special type of series, right? Thank you.